Doubt of viewers, class 10th CBSE. Question: for which values of A and B are the zeros of Qx equal to x cube plus 2x square plus A. Also the zeros of the polynomial Px equal to x raised to power 5 minus x raised to power 4 minus 4x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus b. Which zeros of Px are not the zeros of the Qx? Now here I have, you see, all the zeros of the Qx are the zero of Px. It means that the Qx will divide the Px and the remainder will be 0. So let us divide first of all. You see here the dividend, that is Px, x raised to power 5 minus x raised to power 4 minus 4x cube plus 8 3x square plus 3x plus b. Here the dividend, that is Qx, x cube plus 2x square plus a. Now start dividing. Take the quotient x square, multiply it, x square will be multiplied to all these terms, x cube 2x square plus a. So you will get here the x raised to power 5 plus 2x raised to power 4 plus ax square. Now change the sign and add it. Once the sign has been changed, it will be cancelled here. So here it is minus 2 and minus 2x raised to power 4 and x raised to power. The total we will get here minus 3x raised to power 4 minus 4x cube plus 3 minus a x square plus 3x plus b. Now the second term of the quotient will be minus 3x. So multiply the x cube by minus 3x. You will get here minus 3x raised to power 4 minus 6x cube minus 3ax. Now change the sign. After changing the sign, now you just add it. So you will get here the 2x cube plus in bracket 3 minus ax square plus 3a plus 3 in bracket close x plus b. Now again you see the x cube is here, x cube is here. The degree are the same, so again you can divide that is by plus 2. Multiply it by plus 2 to every terms, you will get 2x raised to power 3 plus 4x square plus 2a. Now change the sign. So this will be cancelled. On adding, this will be minus, this will be also minus. So we will get here minus a minus 1 bracket close x square plus 3a plus 3 bracket close x plus b minus 2a. This will be the remainder, and remainder should be 0 because all the zeros of the Qx are the zeros of this. It means it is a divisor of this and the remainder should be, or you can say that it is the factor of this, so the remainder should be 0. Now when it will be 0, when the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x and constant, all these terms should be equal to 0. So minus 1, minus a minus 1 equal to 0, it means that a is equal to minus 1. 3a plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0, it means that a plus 1 is equal to 0 or a is equal to minus 1. b minus 2a, constant term, b minus 2a should be equal to 0, it means the b will be equal to 2a. Therefore, now write down the values of a, that is 2 into minus 1, it will be equal to minus 2. Values of a will be equal to minus 1 and b will be equal to minus 2. This is the answer also. These are the values of a and b has been asked. Now you see the Px. Px is given, that is x raised to power 5 minus x raised to power 4 minus 4x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, that is equivalent to. You see this is the divisor. Now the divisor in place of a I have written minus 1 because a is minus 1. So x cube x cube plus 2x square minus 1, and the quotient which we have got above, that is x square minus 3x plus 2. Here in place of b I have written minus 2 because b is equal to minus 2. So this complete px will be equal to, in this factor I have factorized it, this one part, that will be equal to, this is the qx, this is the quotient, and quotient has been further factorized, that is x minus 1, x minus 2. X cube plus 2x square minus 1, this can be also factorized, this one, that is x plus 1, and inside the second bracket it will be x square plus x minus 1. So x plus 1, here x plus 1 minus plus, because I have written in the factor form. So x plus 1 will be one of the factor, and two factors are from here, because the degree is 3, therefore the 3 factors should be there. So x plus 1 is one of the factor, and this consists of two factor. So that is x plus x माइनस होना चाहिए, तो माइनस की जगह पर जैसे ही माइनस रखोगे आप, इसका वो हो जाएगा, साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. तो x प्लस 1 minus plus root 5 by 2. So x is equal to, from here x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. By with the help of quadratic equation, I have solved it, this one part. So it will be equal to minus 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. And from here the x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So now we have got 5 roots for the px, that is x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. Now this consists of two factors, two roots. X is equal to minus 1, here you will get two roots, and third 2, after that x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So in this way there are the 5 roots for the px. So x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2, these are the factor of the quotient, and these are not the zeros of qx. qx का ये जीरो नहीं होंगे, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2 are not the zeros of qx. Now in order to verify that the roots, about the 5 roots of the px, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द 5 रूट्स ऑफ पी एक्स विल बी इक्वल टू 2 होना चाहिए, क्योंकि देखिए यहाँ पर -2 है, तो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द 5 रूट्स विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस इंटू माइनस कांस्टेंट, यहाँ पर -2 ऑलरेडी है, तो कांस्टेंट टर्म जो है -2 है, सो वंस विल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय माइनस इट विल बिकम 2. नाउ इफ यू जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई ऑल द रूट्स you will get 1 into 2 into -1 into -1 plus root 5 by 2 into -1 minus root 5 by 2. Here you will get, that is 2, verified. Now sum of the roots, that is equal to the minus 1. So it will be equal to minus into -1, that should be equal to 1. Now you see, sum of the roots, -1 plus 1 plus 2 plus -1 plus root 5 by 2 plus -1 minus root 5 by 2. So if you add it, you will get 1. Hence this question has been verified that the roots are also correct, and the roots which are mentioned about that, what is called the a is equal to -1, b is equal to -2, these things has been asked. And secondly, the x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 are not the zeros of the qx, and the px has got the 5 roots, and these 5 roots I have mentioned it here. You see, the product of the roots and sum of the roots. That's all.